Welcome to Commercial Fire, the nation's premier multi-site provider of fire and life safety services. In the following video, we will walk you through the process of IVR, or Interactive Voice Response. Please refer to the special instructions on your work order, as some customers have unique requirements for IVR use. Also, please note that you can check in and out using just the app when you are located inside of the geofence. No calls necessary. Our mobile app, CF Connect, should be your first choice for checking in through our IVR system, as it is the easiest and most efficient method for doing so. Here are the steps for using Commercial Fire's IVR system, which can be completed in less than a minute. Step 1. Call 844-325-8006. Step 2. Press the number associated with the language you want. Select 1 for English. Step 3. The voice prompt will ask you for a 9-digit tracking number, which can be found near the top center of your Commercial Fire work order, digital or hard copy. Enter that number and press pound. Step 4. After you enter pound, it will repeat the number, and if the number matches what you entered, hit pound again to confirm, or press 0 to re-enter. Step 5. When doing this for the first time for a work order, there is no further action needed. The system will check you in, so you can just hang up and do the job. Step 6. When you have completed the job, you have to call 844-325-8006 again. Step 7. Press the number for the language you want. Select 1 for English. Step 8. You will enter the 9-digit tracking number, which can be found near the top center of your Commercial Fire work order. Then, press pound to confirm, or press 0 to re-enter. Step 9. You will hear a list of 4 prompts to choose from. 1 is to check out without deficiencies. 2 is unable to complete or need authorization. 3 is to complete but deficiencies remain. And 4 is to note that a follow-up visit is required. Please note, you should choose option 3 when there are deficiencies that are not authorized by a Commercial Fire call center representative and a new work order is needed. This also occurs when you need to provide a quote for repairs to the customer. Option 4 is used when you need to return to the job site and have authorization from the Commercial Fire Customer Service Center representative. This normally occurs when you do not have the necessary parts with you, but the parts are at your office or shop. The phone number for the Commercial Fire Customer Service Center is 1-800-241-1277. Step 10. After you select an option, 1 through 4, please stay on the line. If you have selected option 1, then you will receive a checkout number confirming that you have completed the job. You will need to record that checkout number on the Commercial Fire work order, digital or hard copy, in order to receive payment. For the other options, it may transfer you automatically to the Commercial Fire Customer Service Center. If you are not transferred, then you may hang up. Step 11. Please note that there are special circumstances. For example, GAP requires check-in to be made from an in-store phone or via the app. These instructions are boldly marked on the job paperwork. Step 12. If you have any questions concerning the IVR process, please call the Commercial Fire Customer Service Center at 1-800-241-1277. And, although this is very convenient, don't forget that using our mobile app, CF Connect, is the easiest and most efficient method for checking in. Thank you again for being an integral part of our premier network. Head to commercialfire.com today to learn about upcoming news and events. As a closing note, our IVR system does provide prompts for the user throughout the entire process, so it is not necessary to memorize all of these steps.